Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So we are going to go over the upcoming Aldi Finds for June the 21st through June the 27th. Friends, remember, here today, gone tomorrow. All right, we're going to begin with the home goods section. First up, we have the Easy Home Ultimate Gel Seat Cushion. The price is only $12.99 and it comes in gray or black. Next up, we have the Huntington Home 30 by 60 Beach Towel for only $5.99. It is available in 6 assorted styles and designs. Here we have the Kids Rolling Suitcase. It's only $16.99 and you can get it either in Marvel, Paw Patrol Aqua Pups, Disney Princess, or Minnie. Now we're moving right along to the kitchen section. First up, we have the Little Journey Snap and Go Pods or puzzle containers. They are only $4.99 each. Now we're moving right into the home improvement section. Here we have the Easy Home fan with wireless charger. It's only $12.99. It does come in white or black. Next up, we have the Easy Home Portable Evaporative Air Cooler. It is only $49.99. It includes a remote control and ice packs. Next up is the Easy Home Rechargeable 5-inch fan, only $7.99, and it comes in black or white. Now we're moving into the garden and patio section, which is my favorite section. First up, we have the 5-inch Easy Orchid. It does come in sorted colors, and it is only $11.99. Here we have the Balavi 3-tier urn planter for $19.99. You can get it in bronze or gray, and it is 30 inches high. Next up, we have the Balavi ceramic wind chimes for only $9.99. It does come in 2 different styles. We have the Balavi color changing LED orb for only $19.99. It can be used in or outdoors. Here we have the Balavi deep seat cushions. They are $19.99. You can get it in blue or cream. This is one of the ones I really like a lot, the Balavi garden figurine. It's only $6.99. You can get it in designs of a squirrel, a bunny, a frog, a gnome, a fairy, or a hedgehog. I really am drawn towards the squirrel and the hedgehog, but the squirrel I think is my favorite. I really need to get there and get one of these. And this is my all-time favorite, the Balavi glass bird bath. It's only $14.99. It includes the metal stake and the chain, but I like them both. It comes in pink ripple or yellow flower. And I don't know which one I like better, so maybe I need both. What do y'all think? Here we have the Balavi hammock with carry bag. It's only $12.99. You can get it in several different colors. This I know is one that a lot of people really like. It's the Balavi hanging hammock chair, only $19.99. And again, that comes in 3 different colors as well. Here we have the Balavi Mini Connectic Wind Spinner, only $9.99. We have the Balavi Mosaic LED Garden Stake. It is only $4.99, and this comes in 6 different styles. We have the Balavi Portable Gas Fire Pit with a locking lid. It's only $69.99. The Balavi Resin Wicker Planter, only $9.99. I really like this one too. I think I might get that if I can find it. Next up, we have the Balavi Tall Garden Statue for only $14.99. You can get the heron, peacock, or flamingo. And lastly, in the garden patio section, we have the Huntington Home doormat. It comes in 4 different designs. Now we're moving right along into the apparel section. We do only have one item here. It is the Sierra neoprene duffel bag. You can get it in black, green, or blush, and it is only $19.99. Now we're moving right into the kids and baby section. First up, we have the Bonsai Splash Pad for only $9.99. We have the Gopher Field Mat, the Splash Mat, Blast Pad, and the Ducky Sprinkles. We're moving right along to the Bendon Large Magic Ink Coloring Pad, only $4.99, and it does come in a variety of your favorite characters. We also have the Bendon Magnetic Tin Game for only $5.99, and it is a variety of different games, and there's quite a few to choose from. We also have the Bendon Wacky Faces sticker book, only $2.99. It has 32 pages and 6 sticker sheets. You can get Around the World, Wacky Faces, Silly Pets, Pretty Princess, Tasty Treats, Fashion Diva, or Wacky Dinos. We also have the Fidel My Busy Book, only $7.99. It is a box set that includes 10-page board book, playmat, and 10 figurines. And again, it comes in a variety of different characters. We also have the Zuru Bunch o' Balloons for only $6.99. You have assorted colors. You just fill and tie 100 water balloons in 60 seconds. We also have the Zuru Bunch of Balloons Ultimate Kit for $16.99. You can get the launcher or stealth soaker gun. Now we're going to move right along into the personal care section. First up is the DentaGuard Sonic Electric Toothbrush for only $14.99. It comes in pink, black, purple, or aqua. Well, that was quick. Now we're into the pet supplies section. We only have one item here as well, and that is the Heart to Tail car seat protection cover. It's only $14.99. Now we're in the arts and entertainment section. We have the Hasbro travel games for only $8.99. You can get Clue Diced, Monopoly Diced, Bop It, Simon, or Yahtzee. So now we're going to go ahead and move into the sports and outdoor activities section. First up, we have the Ambiano electric travel cooler for only $49.99. Next up, we have the Bon Pull Float speaker for $12.99. You can get it in pineapple, duck, or unicorn. Next up is the Best Way Flip, beach bed, or fashion lounge for only $9.99 each. This is really cool. I know a lot of people have purchased this in the past. It is the Best Way inflatable stand-up paddleboard for only $124.99. The Best Way luxury fabric lounge is only $29.99, and the cover is removable and machine washable. Here we have the Best Way tropical float island for only $16.99. It comes in Peaceful Palm Island or Sunny Sicily Island. We have the Crane bodyboard. It is only $9.99. You can get it in flag, flamingo, palm tree, sunset, flames, diagonal stripe, or geometric. We also have the Crane rectangular or hexagonal pole, only $19.99, and it does have a cup holder. We have the Gofa small water toys for $5.99. You can get it in octopus, penguin, or starfish. We have the Summer Waves mermaid tail, or starfish float for only $12.99. We also have the Summer Waves popsicle or fruit slice float, and friends, that's only $9.99. And then the last item in our outdoor section is the Zuru X-Shot Water Blasters. It is $14.99, and it comes in assorted varieties. Now let's move on to the automotive section. We have the Auto XS Car Sunshade. It's only $4.99 and it does come in 2 sizes to fit your vehicle. Next up, we have the Auto XS Portable Tire Inflator, and this is a great price, $14.99. We also have the Auto XS Trunk Organizer with cooler for $12.99. You can get it in black, gray, or pattern. And friends, if I can find this one, I'm getting that for my car for sure. All right, now we're moving to the beverage section. We just have one item here. It's the Gatorade G0. It comes in assorted flavors. It is 28 ounces for $1.72. Now moving along into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the Bake Shop Mini Lemon Cake Bites, only $4.29 for 12 ounces. We have the Lovin' Fresh Artisan Buns, only $2.49 for 18 ounces. We also have the Lovin' Fresh Brat Buns, $2.49, 14 ounces. Now let's get into the snack section. First up, we have the Clancy's Cinnamon Apple Straws. They are $2.69 for a 16-ounce bag. We have the Haribo Assorted Varieties. They are $1.25 and they come in Rainbow Worms, Sour Kicks, Star Mix, or Twin Snakes. Oh, these look delicious. Oh man, I need to find these. The Southern Grown Chili Spiced Mango. Oh. They come in mild or spicy, and they are $3.89 for a 6-ounce bag. I really want to try those spicy ones. We also have the Southern Grown Summer Trail Mix, $4.98. The Neapolitan or S'mores for a 9.10-ounce bag, $4.89 per bag. Oh, here's another one. I have seen the Wahlburgers pickles at Aldi, but I've never bought them before. They have the dill pickle chips for $5.49, 32 ounces. I really love dill pickles, so I think I'm going to try those as well. So now we're going to go ahead and move right into the deli section. First up, we have the Good Foods Queso or Buffalo Style Plant-Based Dip, 8 ounces for $4.59. And oh man, this looks absolutely delicious. Next up is the Little Salad Bar Pimento or Garden Bow Tie Pasta Salad, 12 ounces for $4.49. We have the Wahlburgers Hickory Smoked Bacon. It is $5.49 for 12 ounces. Please make note it's 12 ounces, not 16. We have the Wahlburgers Uncured Beef Hot Dogs for $4.99 for 10 ounces. And now we're moving right along into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Appetitos Mac and Cheese Bites or Loaded Potato Skins. I love loaded potato skins for $3.49 for an 8 to 8.5 ounce box. We have the Bremer Chicken Gyro Kit for $11.99. The Cattleman's Ranch Seasoned Beef Burgers. It comes in 2 different flavors. They are $8.49. Next up, we have the Fremont Fish Market Popcorn Shrimp. Please note that this is not available in all locations. You can get an 18-ounce bag for $6.49 if you have it in your location. We have the Twix Ice Cream Bars for $4.48 for 11.6 ounces. Now we're moving right along to the fresh meat and seafood section. We have the Smithfield Fresh Whole Boneless Pork Butt Roast, $1.99 per pound. The Wahlburgers Fresh Gourmet Blend Agnes Beef Burgers, $6.99 for 1.33 pounds. And now we're into the Pantry Essentials section. We have the Baker's Corner S'mores or Cookies and Cream Baking Kit for $3.39. Please note that this is not available in all locations. Here we have the Prino Bronze Cut martini, I believe that's how you say that, for $1.89 for 16 ounces. We have the Stone Mill Barbecue Grill Pack, $7.99. The Wahlburgers Wall Sauce price is only $3.99 for 12 ounces. Now let's move into our last section, the household section. We have the Boulder Clear Cutlery for $7.99. It is 192 count. It's 64 of each. We have the Febreze Car 3-count Mix Variety Tray Pack for only $6.94. So that is all the Aldi finds for the week of June the 21st. I do want to quickly go over some important things from the Aldi website. First up is all items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Here is Momma Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Momma Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting their Aldi finds. I am not responsible for printing or typographical errors. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, always appreciate it if you'd leave them below. Don't forget, please check me out over on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week. Bye.